Now we will talk about advanced variation in Surya Namaskar. My son Muhammad Ali, who is studying in 8th standard and a student of Vanity Yoga Institute Muscat, will show Surya Namaskar with some advanced variations. When we are studying, we spend long periods of time sat over a desk. This can result in bad postures, including compression of the spine or other deformation of the spine and joints. Yoga is a great way to look after the physical body. Starting your practice at a young age means that you can work to avoid issues. When do asana consistently over time, getting stronger and more flexible, increasingly challenging poses becomes more accessible. It is a lot of fun to discover that your body is capable of doing things you never thought would be possible. It is, in fact, a joyful activity. Yoga and Surya Namaskar is very helpful for children. Some of the benefits are the ability to focus their mind. A regular practice of yoga as part of a routine will give the child much needed physical fitness. It focuses not only physical health but mental and emotional well-being as well. Practicing among friends and peers in the environment of the school will help children build a harmonious nature, one that gets along with everybody. Yoga is the ideal solution as it helps tackle stress and depression, giving a positive, happy, and healthy attitude. Yoga teaches peace, compassion, understanding, and love for all beings. In this round of Surya Namaskar, he is showing the variations in second and third step, what all can do. And he is showing again in the 10th and the 11th step. 10th step, he is showing some of the variations, so where you can bend more your spine forward and positions of the palm and fingers. In 11th step, he is showing the back bends. He is showing the 7 number bend, then going to Chakrasana, then going to Dimbasana. This is advanced back bend. Relax. Now Muhammad Ali is going to show some of the advanced variations in the 4th and 5th step of the Surya Namaskar. Now in this 4th step, he is going to demo some of the advanced variations. First, he is showing the Ardha Chakrasana. Next, he is showing the Parsva Konasana. Now he is going to show Krishna Kokilasana. Next, he is going to show the Hanumanasana. In Hanuman, he is going to perform Anchanya Valkyanasana. This is very good back bend. Now he is going to show the counter for the Anchanya Valkyanasana. Forward bend is the counter pose for the previous one. Now he is going to show the variations in the 5th step. Vashishta. This is Vashishtasana. Now he is going to show Vishwamitrasana. This all students can be done with the regular practice of Yogasana and Surya Namaskar. Relax. Now in this round of Surya Namaskar, he is going to show some of the variation in the 7th step of the Surya Namaskar in Bhujangasana and 8th step Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now in Bhujangasana, say this is the 7th step, he is going to show Dipasana. He is locking his chin between her toes. Taking out the hands up. Now he is going to show the Bhujangasana. Now he is going to show the Purna Bhujangasana. It's a complete back bend. Now in the Adho Mukha Svanasana 8th step, he is going to show the leg raising up. Going to the Chakrasana, from mountain to Chakrasana, again coming back from Chakrasana to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Relax.